Hello, welcome to Digital Prescription System. This is the registration page for doctors. Doctor who use this application, at first he or she have to register. If he is already registered, they can log in from the login page with his email and password. After inputting email and password, can successfully log in the home page. The home page is simply with patient database, all the previous patient list. He can search any patient from the search bar with patient ID, name, anything, such as he want to search the patient whose ID is 3. He can simply type 3, the ID with number 3 patient is come, display in the table. Or he can search with name, like patient name Shafiur Rahman. He can type the name and the search result will come to the patient table. In this page, patient table, there are various action. A doctor can in this icon, a doctor can see the full details of a patient profile. He can edit a patient profile from here without go to the other page. And if he wants to create new prescription for the existing patient, he is simply click the click. This is the if the patient have previous doctor can see the patient previous prescription from here, like the doctor wants to see a patient prescription in 26th with date. He can simply click here and can see the patient prescription with this date. Back to home, doctor doctor can delete a patient record from here. Okay, now if a new patient come and doctor wants to create a prescription of the patient, we simply click generate new prescription. At first he have to type patient name, then patient age, contact number, patient gender and email. After click go ahead page, it's redirect the prescription page. And this is the main features of this application. Doctor can create a prescription from this page with drug, chief complaints, personal history, and any other suggestions which is need to create a patient prescription, such as drug name. All the drug names are comes to the updated database, drug database, or doctor can create a new drug name from here. Dose, when the drug needs to take and how many times the drug needs to take. It's like 5 days. He can add more drugs. He can type a new drug name which is not in the database, but the database obviously up to date. He can add chief complaints, personal history, and anything which is need to create a prescription. After completing all of this, you have to click print prescription button and it will generate a clean prescription for a patient, which is the main motto of this application. Back to home, there are some features also, like drug list. This is the updated drug list which is approved by the government in market. Uh, all these drugs are up to date by database, but doctor can also add a new drug from here, can edit a medicine and can delete also. Another page is element list. Element is the suggestions which is need to generate a prescription, like chief complaints, personal history, comorbidities, drug history. If a doctor, suppose a doctor wants to add a clinical diagnosis name, he can simply add the name, add here, and this will suggest the doctor in the prescription page when he type the first letter or some letter of the item. Go to the home page. In the database list of patient, here are some initial values, like last visiting date of a patient, discount available. This level is some commercial reason, like that some doctors treat a patient more than 4 months is a new patient, they give some discount to them, or do not take discount to them. So this is for this purpose. So this is the features of the prescription system. Doctor, after create prescription or closing the chamber, he can simply log out. Thank you.